Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Juliet here again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make pizza at home. This is homemade pizza straight from my oven. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this without a pizza pan, because so many people feel that if they don't have a pizza pan, they can't make pizza. But as you can see, I'm using my baking tray, guys. I'll show you how you can achieve this. And also I'm going to take you along the process how you can create this very cheesy pizza. So guys, just sit back and enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, guys? Please do well and subscribe to my channel. And at the end of this video, if you enjoyed the whole process, please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. If you have anything to say to me, I will be glad to hear from every one of you. So let's just get straight into the video. In a bowl, you need a large bowl for this. I'm not going to make the same mistake I made in my previous video. So I'm just going to be adding water in the bowl, warm water by the way, guys, yeast and sugar. So now I didn't allow the yeast to proof because I'm going to let it proof for about an hour. And in here I have my flour and salt mixture, and into that I just give it a quick stir, and then I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using the light brown sugar. If you prefer honey for this, you can use honey. Honey works perfectly well as well. So yeah, that's it. And I'm just going to stir it and then use my hand to knead the dough, to start kneading the dough, and I'll transfer it onto a floured surface and continue kneading the dough. This kneading process is very important in pizza making, guys. Although there are some people do make their pizza without kneading the dough, but I prefer this process. This way my dough comes out very chewy and delicious, guys. So now I just oiled the bowl and I placed the dough into it, and I'll be covering this with a cling film, or you can use a foil and also a damp cloth, and keep it in a warm place to rise for about 1 hour. And now I'm making the sauce. I didn't get store-bought. I'm making the sauce from scratch. So guys, the list of the ingredients in making the sauce, I'll leave it in the description box below. And also guys, when adding water, you need to make sure you add it bit by bit so the consistency won't be too runny. Yeah. And now our dough is ready, and I'll just be greasing my baking tray with some oil to prevent it from sticking to it. And then after greasing with some oil, I will be applying semolina. Yeah guys, you heard me. Semolina or semovita, whichever one is available. Just apply, just sprinkle it a little quantity, as you can see, on the greased pan, and then flatten your dough and start pushing it out from the middle. You start from the middle and then you push it out, leaving a little bit of space by the crust. If you want a very tiny crust, you can push it out to be totally flat. But I love my pizza with a little bit of crust, so yeah. And the next thing is you need to leave your dough to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you start brushing the whole surface with some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you have. Olive oil works best as well, so but I'm using sunflower oil. And then I'll start applying the sauce onto the surface. be generous with it, with the sauce. Apply the sauce all over the surface of the pizza dough. This is so easy, guys. You can do it at home. You don't need any machine to do this. You can just do it. As you can see, it's super easy, super easy. And yeah, that's it. I'm using shredded mozzarella cheese, which is my preference. Some people prefer other cheeses like cheddar and the rest of it, but I always prefer using mozzarella. And this is a store-bought shredded cheese. You can buy the whole one and shred it yourself using a grater, but I prefer this one. It's easier for me. And then I'm using my favorite toppings: sausages, red and green bell peppers. I'm just making it simple today. The sausage, I already roasted it before now, and then just sliced it into tiny bits. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is it. This is it. And I'll preheat my oven to 165 degrees centigrade because I'm using a gas oven. And then for that extra cheesiness, guys, I added extra cheese on top, as you can see. Added extra cheese because I want it to be really cheesy, because at the store, sorry, they don't really give us the very cheesy pizza. The one they give us is sometimes when you even cut it, when you slice into it, you won't even see the cheese like that. So, but I really want mine, since it's homemade, everything should be extra. So yeah, guys, that's it. I baked this in my oven, a gas oven, like I said, for 15 minutes at 165 degrees centigrade. And it's ready. So simple. So simple and easy, guys. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share to your friends and family, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. I have loads of good stuff coming your way, so please, if you want to partake of any of them, just subscribe to my channel. Biko Ejo, I'm begging you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, be good, stay safe, and bye, guys.